This week's spelling list is Phonics List 5, Variant Vowels. A variant vowel are groups of letters that produce the same vowel sounds. So we have the words on our list this week: caught, laws, drawn, strawberry, straw, awe, shawl, altar, halt, talking, walker, chalk, stalk, small, caller, squall, cough, fought, thought, and false. The vowel sounds for the aw are spelled in different ways. We have AU, AW, AL, ALL, OU, OUGH. All of these variant vowels make the same spelling sound. Let me go through a little practice page with you. We're looking for rhyming sounds with the bold spelling word. We have hawk, then rake, chalk, black. So the word that rhymes with it, chalk. Thaw, straw, vat, stew, so straw. Bought, thought, moat, caught, thought. Yawn, span, caw, drawn, drawn. Taller, filler, collar, tanner, collar. Off, muff, tough, cough. Here we have off rhyming with cough. Gauze is buzz, laws, says, laws. So see, they can rhyme even if they're not, don't have the same variant vowel spellings. Walk, wick, make, stalk, stalk. Maul, shawl, bill, malt, shawl. Call, toll, squall, tail, squall. Fought, tough, fought, boat, fought. Saw, aw, blue, bar, aw. Brought, beat, crate, caught, caught. Crawl, paw, small, pow, paw. And then fault is halt, hurt, heart, halt. So with these words this week, you have a Spelling City assignment and a Spelling City test that I need to have you take Thursday. All right. So it's Phonics List 5, variant vowels.